We're now looking at January 17th work on special triangles, special triangles. Okay, so we label things. 45, it's x, and what? X times the square root of 2, x times the square root of 2. What is x equal to? X is equal to 8. What is y equal to? Y is equal to 8 times the square root of 2. Second problem. What is the value of x? These are, opposite is x. This is 2x, and this is x times the square root of 3. First we label parts, so if x is 14, what is 2 times 14? That has to be 28. What is 14 times the square root of 3? It has to be this answer. That's how that's done. The next one, shorter leg in a 30-60. So we're looking at a 30-60. Shorter leg is the 8.2. The 8.2 is the x. This is 2x, and this is 8.2 times the square root of 3. What did they ask? What's the perimeter of the right triangle? So we're adding these three. If this is 2x, this is what? This is 2 times 8.2. So let's use the calculator. This is all calculator work. So let's clear that.
Yes.
What's the square root of 3?
Yes, ma'am. Somebody's here to see me?
Square root of 3. Enter.
Oh, okay. They're
Plus
already
3.
They're already in the
Enter.
Oh, okay.
Times
Thank you for coming.
8.2. Enter. And I get 38.8 as my answer. And sure enough, 38.8 is my answer by adding these three things up. Problem number 4. A bookcase 3x3. Diagonal braces. So these are 45 degrees. So that has to be 3 times the square root of 2. How long to the nearest tenth of the piece was used to build each brace? 3 times the square root of 2. What is 3 times the square root of 2? .2 is that answer. Just 3 times the square root of 2. Next one, looking at this. Angle of depression, that's a 30-degree angle here. The point on the ground is 75 feet. That's 75. That makes that 60. So 75 is what? 75 is my x times the square root of 3. How tall is the pole? The pole is going to be 75 divided by the square root of 3 to find out what x is. So 75, square that. 75 divided by the square root of 3 equals 43.3. That's how tall the pole is. Looking at the last part, what's the distance between the top of the ground? So they're asking what the hypotenuse is. So it's going to be 43.3 times 2. And so that's going to be what? My guess is, we're not guessing. It's not a guessing game, sorry. Just kidding. It's going to be 86.6, right? That's twice this number. And that's that problem done.